Hey guys, want to do a video on an HVAC product, and before you click on to the next video, before I lose you, I know most of my videos are directed more towards homeowners and not HVAC techs. And so when the guy that approached me, he sent me this product, I explained that to him, but once I realized what all this product could do, it actually is very beneficial for homeowners themselves, and I think it could save you some money if you are a homeowner that has this product installed with your heating and air system. So what's the product? We're talking about the Easy T, the AC Easy T, and the contractor's box kind of looks like this right here. It comes with 20 of them in this box. Obviously, you don't need 20 of them for your home. You might need 1, 2, maybe 3 at the most. And let me say, before we go any further, if you do like this product, I'll put a link to it down in the notes so you'll be able to click that link and buy it yourself. But the magic with it is the T itself is pretty cool, but it's also this tool that comes with it. And so we're gonna go through how this works. But if you've ever had to clear a drain on your heating and air system, or you had to have a pro do it, this tool is meant to make that 10 times easier, and I think it is successful in that. So essentially the product, it's basically a 90, what I would probably more like to call it. Is it technically a T? Yes, it's got the middle part here, and then it's got the, going in and out. So it is the shape of a T, but in most cases, you're gonna install this just like you would a 90, but the difference is you have this cap on one end. So if you imagine coming off your air handler, if you had a male adapter here coming off the air handler or furnace, and then you were to set this where you would normally set a 90, you will be able to unscrew this and be able to clear that drain. Now the tool itself comes in a little plastic tube here, and it comes into 3 pieces. So they're all together here. And we'll come back to this piece in a moment, but the 2 pieces that it comes with, each can go into this T and clear it one way or the other. So you don't have to cut the drain, especially if you're the homeowner. You don't have to get in all this crazy stuff, cutting the drain and clearing stuff and all that. You'll be able to take this one T and these 2 pieces and clear that drain. So the one piece fits down. If you can look in there, when you slide it in here, it seals that way off, okay? And you'll be able to clear it from that direction. So you can see my eyeball through here. And this will connect to a shop vac. It will connect to a water hose, or that third piece that I told you we'd come back to, it will connect to a nitrogen tank. So I would say in most cases, if you're a homeowner, you're gonna be looking at clearing this with a shop vac. That's honestly all I use on my truck. I know you can blow it loose with all these different products on the market, but with a shop vac, you not only break it loose, but you can actually remove, you're actually sucking that gunk out of there, and then you can treat the drain with, your tablets or your chemical or whatever it is you use. But so that's pretty cool. Your first tool will seal it from going this direction, the air, and clear it going this direction, okay? And then your other tool, it looks like this on the end, and then it's got this hole in it. So your other tool, when you insert it into that T, it's now sealed that direction. So it no longer will suck from that direction, but because it's got that hole, it will, let's see if I can get my finger down in there. You can see my finger. There you go. And so, so when you got your shop vac on there, it's now going to suck that direction. Really cool tool. It's very simple, but very handy. Again, it comes in 3 pieces, and the third one being where you could connect to a nitrogen tank. I'm not sure a lot of homeowners would do that necessarily, but it's just very nifty, and it's made in the USA according to the box here. And I talked to the fella that actually created this product, and he's in our trade. So I think that's pretty cool too, that this wasn't just somebody that created a tool that's unnecessary, or they don't actually know what we're up against. This fella knows exactly what we're up against and created a product to make that better. As I said a moment ago, usually my videos are directed towards homeowners themselves. Obviously, this is a product that would normally be sold to the contractor, the heating and air technician themselves. But I think if you're a homeowner, that this right here, if you have this installed, if you get the pro to put this on, that it could really help you out as well. You could even get that tool and get in there and save yourself a gob of money. If your drain backs up, your condensate pump, float switches engaged, and it's made your thermostat go blank, with one tool here, you'll be able to get yourself back online, hot summer day, and not have to have a pro out who, just to come out after hours on a hot summer Saturday, could charge you hundreds of dollars. And here you've got a tool that you can clear it yourself. Let me know what you think, whether you're a contractor or a homeowner. Let me know what you think of this product down in the comments. Have you used it before? Are you considering using it? And last but not least, if you're interested in this product, I'll put a link down below where you can purchase it yourself. All that said, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you next time.